Hey there guys, how are you? Chris here. And just something I want to discuss that kind of irked me a bit, and I don't know if it pissed you guys off or not, but um, I got a notice in the mail, a recall notice in the mail from Toyota on my Tundra, my Toyota Tundra, stating that there's an airbag recall on it. Now, I thought this was sent in error or it was just lagging getting it to me because I already had my airbag replaced under a recall, the passenger side. However, when I read it, it turns out that there is another recall on the same airbag. Now, first off, just reading, and I'll cut to the chase here, kind of what is the condition it says and what happens in the red section, which is the dangerous stuff. It says, in the event of an inflator explosion, metal fragments could pass through the airbag cushion material, striking the vehicle occupants and result in serious injury or death. Not good. That's the one I got on my last recall notice. Now, I read into it, and it says, has like a fax sheet, and it says, why am I receiving another recall notice if I already had the recall inflator replaced? Toyota previously recalled these vehicles for the same condition. At that time, the inflator used as a replacement was a new one of the same design. So this was a like-for-like replacement. However, the replacement inflator now in your vehicle can still degrade over time, as noted above, and must be replaced. No! So basically, they took a bad airbag deflator out and replaced it with the same, a brand new bad one. Took out the old bad one and put a new bad one in. Now I love Toyota, and I've owned many of their vehicles going all the way back to the 70s, and the only American cars I own are the classics. I wouldn't buy a new American car. Sorry, folks. But anyways, I've always had really good service out of all these vehicles. But this seems a little bit ridiculous. I mean, it takes a lot of time to do that. It says in the recall notice it's going to take 1 to 3 hours to replace it. Now that's a lot of time, especially for people that are busy. I'm retired, so, I got time, but still, putting a new bad one in just to kind of preempt things until they got the right one to put in seems a little bit, nuts to me. So, I don't know if this really bothers anybody. I mean, it bugs me, but, obviously I got to do it. It says it's urgent. I need to get down there, makes it sound like I need to get down there pretty quick, which I'm going to do. I'm going to set up a time and everything. But anyways, that's my bitch and gripe and complaint, and, let me know what you guys think. And if you've already had it replaced, the second one, let me know, how your experience went. I'd appreciate it. Okay, you guys, thanks again for listening, and you have a great day, and if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye now.